How much is in there? You guys ready for a crappy job? Remember, we bought this 2016 Momentum, and with any used RV, there's always going to be little things that need to be fixed. Leaky black tank valves are one of those.
Shitter was full!
I'm not ripping open the belly because I don't want to get all up in there right now, but I do want to add one of my favorite RV accessories ever.
I am so excited, I think I'm gonna explode!
Ever. It's this. Check this out right here.
Are you kidding me?
It's amazing. I already have one from my old trailer that I put on the back over here because we have 2 black tanks on this trailer.
First class, yo, this is bad.
But our other one doesn't have one, so I was gonna put one on there. The problem is, it's tucked too far up under the trailer, so the slide would hit it. So I'm not gonna cut the slide. I am going to cut the pipe. The problem is, the main valve is leaky, so I know it's waiting for me behind that cap. It's gonna go into a 5-gallon bucket and maybe water the plants, I don't know. Play a joke on my kid, put it under his bed or something, let him smell it.
Girl, you nasty.
I can do 2 things. I can shorten the valve, or I can tilt it down just a little bit. I know it's waiting for me under this cap. This is gonna be so nasty. It's starting to drip. Oh! How much is in there? All right, so here's the plan. I don't think I'll build it. Ooh, I got a whiff. Ooh. I'm gonna cut it right here and rebuild it all the way out. All right, I got the hacksaw. I cut this part. Freaking glue. That glue starts to set fast too, boy. Go on here. I'm gonna obviously glue it. About like that. All right. Look at that. About right there. I'm gonna have to find something to hold it too. That's gonna be perfect. That'll open up. I'll be back in a second once we get this set, or I'll show you how I put the strap on. That's not funny, man. This is a family channel. Oh, that's awesome. It's nice and strong. Look at that. No leak. We're calling her done, dude. All done.